Hey everyone, it's Sarah from TheStyleBlog. Welcome back. I'm so happy you've tuned in today. This video is going to be a review slash tutorial of these eyeliner stamps. Plus there's also a giveaway, so stay tuned to the end for the rules. They're also in the description below. So I was searching online and I discovered these eyeliner stamps, which is so cool, but I thought there's no way that's gonna work. So I ordered it from Amazon. It was less than 15 bucks and it actually does work and it's really cool. So there were a couple of different options. I just went with the mid-priced one that had the best reviews, and this one is called the Flick Stick. And I just got the 10mm classic size, and it comes with these two eyeliner pins. So they're a stamp and a pin in one, which is really cool. I first opened it and I thought, why are there two in here? That's cool. It's like a two for the price of one. Not the case exactly. So turns out that you need a different stamp for each side of your face. Duh, Sarah. So I hope you can see on these, they say right wing and left wing. The tip just looks like a little wing stamp. The other end is just like a regular felt tipped liner. So it makes total sense now that they need to be separate stamps for your different eyes. So you'll notice I don't have eye makeup on, so I can show you exactly how these work. So come on in here really closely so you can take a look. Okay, so I'm going to do the right side first. So I'm just gonna obviously pick up the pin that says right wing on it. And I'm going to do the wing portion first before I do the liner. So you kind of want to make it at an angle toward your brow. And I'm just going to start at the outer corner of my eye here and make sure the wing is pointed up toward your brow, and then just press in. Ta-da! That is a good sharp line. It's very black. There's a lot of ink in this, which is awesome. I kind of just let my eye stay open for just a few seconds here to let it dry down enough. And then each of these pins has a felt liner at the other end. Okay, so what I like to do is sort of pat right next to my lash line all the way over and meet this wing. Okay, so you'll notice how the bottom part is lined up. So I'm just gonna go up and grab next to this top part and just bring it down. Guys, that looks so good. And how long did that take me? Like 30 seconds? It was no time at all, especially compared to when I normally like have to draw it on. Amazing. Guys, look at that wing. Hello, it's sharp and beautiful and pretty much perfect. Amazing. I'm so in love with this stamp. It's so cool. The only tricky part I feel like is now I have to sort of match the exact angle of this liner over here to this side, but I feel like it's much easier with the stamp than it is just drawing it on by hand. Okay, so let's do the left wing this time. Here's our trusty little stamp, and I'm just gonna try to match it up to match the angle on this one. Not bad. Okay, I'm just gonna go to the other end of this tool and do the exact same thing that I did on the other side. Guys, whoa, it looks so good. Ah, that's amazing. Can you believe I did my eyeliner that quickly and it looks so sharp and perfect and even? Yes. Okay, let's zoom out so you can see the full picture. Look at my liner. It's perfect, it's even, it's just the perfect length of wing, the perfect width of wing. I kind of love this. These are my new favorite beauty product. I'm so happy I ordered these. As you can tell, it was super simple. So I will say that the first two times I used them, my wings were kind of wonky and they weren't quite at the right place. But like the third time and on that I used this, they were perfect. So I think you just need to experiment just a little bit with kind of the placement and the angle, but I always just try to line it up with the very edge of my eye and then point the tip toward the end of my brow. I think that's kind of helped me. Also, let's talk longevity of wear on these puppies. Amazing. It lasts all day. It doesn't fade. It doesn't run. So in the shower, I'm sort of like rubbing water over my eyes. I kind of like to loosen my makeup just gently before I go in with my cleanser. So these did not move. Didn't move with water, didn't move with me rubbing them at all. But the second I put my CeraVe cleanser on them, they just melted off my face. Like, is there a better liner than that? There's not. I wish every product would do that. Just stay on until you want it to come off and then you touch it with cleanser and it just melts off your face. Like, that is the perfect wear for me. I will say that these are super pigmented, super black. Like, this is black liner. The point is nice and sharp. It doesn't bleed everywhere all over your skin. and it does seem like it has tons of product in it. I can't speak to how long these will last. Also, it is just a smidge on the expensive side at around, I don't know, it was like between 13 and 15 bucks, but I think that it's worth it because you're getting this wing stamp. It's not just a regular liner. It's so versatile. And if you don't want the wing, you can definitely just use this other end too. It's just your normal eyeliner. I'm so excited about these. This is like my best purchase in a while. I'm so happy I found these. And also, PS, giveaway details right now coming at you. I'm giving away a set of these. So if you want to enter, be subscribed to my channel, like this video, and then leave a comment below where I can message you. For example, if you're following me on Instagram, leave your Instagram handle. If you're following me on TikTok, leave your TikTok handle. If you're following me on Pinterest, leave your Pinterest name. Facebook, leave your name on Facebook, etc. Just somewhere where I can message you if you win. PS, don't accept any messages from anyone besides my actual account messaging you that you won. Don't send random people your address. Please be safe. This is open internationally anywhere where Amazon ships because I'm just going to ship them straight from Amazon to you. And the giveaway will close the last day of February. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and leave me a comment below if you would like me to review another cool, weird product that you've found. Also, don't forget to enter this giveaway. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.